LinkedIn. So, this is a topic which really takes away a lot of people's time on LinkedIn and how to actually do it. So, I'll go over it very quickly and then the examples will tell for yourself that what works and what doesn't work. So, pro tip first of all, if there is the feature in LinkedIn that can verify, like with government documents, so it is just for your protection on the platform because LinkedIn is weird no matter what. So, you want to make sure that you verify yourself if you can, please. So, please verify yourself so that you can get that check mark on your profile. It looks good also. It's not equivalent to a blue tick, but still. Nobody cares who you actually are. I say it all the time to my clients. The only two things that are about you on your profile is your name and your pronouns. Nothing else. Nothing else is about you in your profile at all, from top to bottom. It's not about you. Yeah, your PFP for sure it is. So if you see someone, do you care that they are a founder? No. Never use adjectives, please. No entrepreneur, futurist, visionary. Who the heck cares about that? Like, I don't care about it. Never talk about yourself. They don't care. First of all, you can talk all day long, but I don't care. First of all, we are very selfish. Humans are selfish. We will always look for our ROI and outcome we can get from you. Know exactly what you do after your read. When they read it once, within zero point 0.3 seconds, they should know what this person offers. And it should qualify or it should disqualify them. This is a very important step. Most people are like, okay, they will understand, but it should qualify and disqualify. Disqualify the people who are literally not for that. Let's say there's a founder who is literally not looking for email marketing and I'm doing that and it's in my headline. So he will be disqualified. But let's say there's a B2B founder who wants to really grow in email list. He will be very well qualified because of my headline. Optimize it for people in the comments, right? When they are in the comments, they will see your tagline. This is a very good way that your first 55 characters in your headline really matter a lot. Like, really matter a lot. You can also try something like this. Make sure it only adds what you do. Like some people say, book 5+ warm leads every single month. That's it. Some people do it and it's all good. Like to the point straight, nothing else. And or points to the action you want somebody to take. Like DM me ABC keyword to get started to see if I'm the right fit for your business. So if you want to make sure like what you do, main benefit, TG, that is your target audience, very, very niche down, right? Like financial business advisors in Sydney. So that's how you go. Something that adds to it all, right? Like DM me or something like that. You can literally go with it. Some of the best taglines, I'll go you can read all the headlines that are very, very good. I'll come to my favorites here. These are the highest converting headlines on LinkedIn, I swear not. I help 8 to 9 figure D2C brand scale 5 plus new creators weekly, 300 million plus in trackable DTC sales. DM me creative and let's chat. It is so inviting. If I'm the person who wants to chat with him, I will. Excuse me. 3x your DTC brand's revenue in 60 plus days with proven meta ad strategies guaranteed or you don't pay. It is so clear and the guarantee is just right there. What happens with the guarantee? It lets your customers feel safe. Like, oh, I will not get a refund back. Like, you already gave a guarantee there. So, guarantee does that. I help 8 to 9 figure D2C brands, and this is one of the best headlines on X that I ever saw. Boost revenue per user by 10% in just 6 months. My goodness, I've never seen such a targeted headline ever in my life. 248 million added with A/B test for HelloFresh, Snox, and 150 more. 46 million in e-commerce sales generated. We will make your e-com brand, etc. I think this is just another line. Okay. Helping businesses at 30K dollars a month. DM me 7FC to get started. There is one more that I really love. It's here. Build passive income, retire early, and travel guilt free. DM me plan to start planning to build wealth. Next is helping B2B SaaS brands build content engine that generates product signups and demos through organic research. My goodness, he could have said content engine, do this and that, get you impressions. He said product signups, very clear. He's not letting you set expectations. Demos, original research, nothing else. When you niche down, you really understand how the whole thing happens there. So you have to make sure you do that. And then there are several examples like I help you grow. I think Matt Barker has changed the headline now. This I made very early on. This was Lara's previous headline there. Right. Niles is very good where companies go to get noticed. Literally so good. Share them is one of the good one. I'm increasing my prices January 13 book now to secure at a lower rate. Build profitable personal brands for founders and CEOs. Cody for sure, Leslie, Ryan. He is always experimentative with every single thing. Ashes is very good. Jesse helping small business get $10,000 month consistently. DME AFP to get started. Uh, Omkar Shinde is one of them, and Yasmin Jayanik. So these are some headlines. Please make sure you curate it. Keep it as short as possible. The rule of copywriting is the less words you can use to deliver a big message, you have done a good writer as a copywriter. So we are not copywriters by heart, or we are not trained as that, and you are even not training yourself to be. Even I'm not, but we have to be very targeted with what we speak, so that we get people we want to. Hope that helps you, and curate yourself a very targeted niche down headline for yourself.